We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month we're teaching you a phrase on how many or how much. If you want to ask someone about that, how would you say that? 如果要说多少，怎么说呢？
几多？
几多？好，我们这个月呢，就是要来模拟一些状况呢，就是要问大家可能，比如说
出去玩，
对，因为2月都是在放假嘛。你去休假几多天呐？多少天啊？
就怪啊。
All right. 好 let's put you in this scenario. Let's say you went on vacation and how many days did you go? 我上礼拜休假去六堆玩。Last weekend I went on vacation to 六堆。
我上10禮拜。
我上10禮拜。
不用了去。六堆了。
六堆了，要撩一撩就是去玩一玩啊。撩 that means to play or to have fun. 休假就是不用撩。Okay, that's your vacation. And 上禮拜去六堆玩了哈。
我上10禮拜不用了去六堆了。
這麼好，你到底去多少天啊？對不對？ How many days did you go? It sounds so great, right? 怎麼說呢？
按好哦。
按好哦。
去幾多日？
去幾多日？幾多 is how many, and then 日 is days 日嘛，對不對？好，這麼好，你去了多少天啊？
按好哦，去幾多日？
那其實大概3天啦，哈。
對啊，台灣嘛。
六堆其實也蠻好玩，在屏東嘛。然後其實六堆很多地方可以去，也要3天，比較好玩一點。
因為來回就要1天。
也是啦，從台北的話，好，我去3天啊，還都曬黑了哈。I went for 3 days and even got a tan。
我去3日。很曬烏特嘞。
很曬烏特嘞 ，OK， 很曬就是
曬。
哦，曬 that means to get a tan。在接下來幾個月要進入夏天了，要去曬一曬。
但是千萬不要烏特。
對，不要太黑掉了啦，皮膚保護好也很重要啦。Okay, so that's how you say it. Let's go ahead and review some of these phrases, such as a vacation 要休假。
不用了，
然後有休假就會覺得怎麼這麼好，
對啊，
這也要 review 一下。That sounds great， 這麼好哦。
按好
哦 That means excellent, sounds fun. And this whole month we're teaching you the phrase 多少 how many or how much。
幾
多，那今天是教幾多
日
就是幾天了哦。
對，
改天再說多少錢，這要去問。對，你已經開始在教了，下次再來吧。All right,
okay.
That is today's Practical Hakka on ICRT。
什麼大家？
按字 say 張偉了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.